Hello and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is Arvid Films, and if you want to know more about me, check out my Twitter at twitter.com/arvidfilms. In this video, we'll be going over how to smooth rough edges in Photoshop. As you can see here, we have an extremely blurry image of a basic circle. This tutorial can be used for fixing any rough or jagged edges or lines, but just to keep it simple, we're going to use a basic shape. To get started, you'll want to hit Control on PC or Command on Mac, and then click on your image.
I'm gonna have a good time.
Doing this allows us to select everything on the layer, making the final image all the better. Now with our image selected, go to the Channels tab. If you don't see this, go to Windows and select Channels.
It is not a counterfeit, this is the real one.
And create a channel mask. After click on your new channel mask, you can now deselect your image by hitting Ctrl D on PC or Command D on Mac. You can now hide or keep your original image on by clicking on the eye icon to the left of it. Either way, the image won't be seen.
This day is in you forever.
While still in the Channels tab, go to Filter at the top, down to Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Now the amount you choose to blur will vary depending on your image. For this image, because it's more so blurry than jagged, the goal is to just make it smooth. So somewhere between 1 and 1.5 works for our image. Next, you'll want to go to Image, which can be found at the top, scroll down to Adjustments, and then click Levels. Now you'll want to move just these three little arrows. The far right makes it thicker, and the far left makes it thinner. And the middle is a balance of both. Like what happened previously with the Gaussian blur, how you adjust the arrows will entirely depend on what your image is. After you feel comfortable with your adjustments, go ahead and click OK. Now hitting Control on PC or Command on Mac, select your Alpha channel on the Channels tab to select everything you just did. With it still selected, go to Layers and create a new layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool, right-click in your selection, and click Fill. Because our original circle was black and we're just trying to improve it, we're going to fill it with black. You can change the color here by clicking black and selecting another one of these options. After clicking OK and deselecting by hitting Ctrl D on PC or Command D on Mac, we now have a much smoother image. Check out the difference. Like we said at the beginning of the video, this tutorial works with any image. All you have to do is select the appropriate level of blur and adjust your levels accordingly. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video and would like to not only see them continue but improve in quality, consider supporting us on Patreon or Ko-Fi, links in the description below. Take care.
See you next time.